Hey, let's assume we have a already active Linux system. We use a lot of existing software and other things in there like Jupyter notebook also, and everything, like you have a active environment in here. Now what we want to install Anaconda as an individual separate environment to run certain program which only can be run using Anaconda. And to do so, let's begin. Like for this PC, I have Jupyter environment, Jupyter notebook, and there are almost actively, I think, lots of virtual environment, Jupyter notebook kernels, many things in here. Now, on top of all of these active environment, we will create an Anaconda environment and will exclusively install it in here to use the Anaconda for certain purpose. And to do so, let's begin in here. At the very beginning, we take the Ubuntu terminal and we create a new directory for Anaconda. Let's assume we have created a directory and we check it out on this way. So we go in our home and we see this is an environment. So we have it in here. Now what we do, we go to this specific directory. Do this on this way. CD, go to this directory. Then we download Anaconda installer. We can download in different way. You can download from the command line, but let me do it on this manually. Anaconda installer. So let's see. Here it is. So you can see it's automatically already came to the over Linux system. So you click it, save it. It's an Anaconda environment. So it's already downloaded, a couple of hundred probably. 1.1 GB. Right. So it's downloaded. The next step for us is to check what's in that folder. So if you type the ls, we can see that's this installer in is there. So let's install it using the script. So this is the installer. So we type it in here. So in what, it's very carefully we need to see, in order to continue the installation, please review the license agreement. So we agree with the license agreement, no problem. So they are asking it's more. So we accept the license terms. Okay, we accept the license terms. And then they are asking, okay, application. Let's see. So this is very important. You can't do this running container reverse. Okay, So this is very important. Do you update your shell profile to automatically initialize code if you read it in here? This will activate Conda on start event. We don't want that. So it's very important to we modify. So it's asking to modify the path, and we say no. So Conda is installed. Now let's type it. I don't have any. And Conda 3. Let's try. Okay, no problem. Let's try to create a new Conda environment to isolate Anaconda. And to do so, let's create Conda, create prefix, Anaconda / environment, Python 3.9, for example. What is, let me just do one thing. I don't want to type again. See, does it have the Python? Let's see, Python 3. So it had 3.10. Okay, let's install it with 3.10. I don't know. Done. Okay. Install. Okay, now the next first we have install the isolated environment. Let's type it. Create prefix, environment, Python. So let's start with this. I have this Anaconda environment. So we then, hey, okay, let's start. We have some trouble in here, so probably the environment is not active. So let's go on this way. Let's see what happens in here. Okay, base environment it's activated now, and the next step is we check out what is happening actually here. So we have Anaconda created. Okay. Now what do you want? We want to create a Conda environment. So we have Conda create Anaconda. Let's create this environment as Mosaic. Name Mosaic Python 3.1. So we are creating a new environment. So no problem. So we have actually created this environment. So if you want to activate this, create is Mosaic. So the environment is activated. Also you can do Conda environment list. You see there's one Anaconda and another Mosaic environment. And now if you want to deactivate it, it's done. Thank you. That's the video. Bye.